So if I was President Ruto, I would have used that particular opportunity to hoist up our credentials and educate the President of Tanzania on our attitude towards our young people. Because our young people are the mainstay of our country today and tomorrow, and always. So I can't sit in an audience where someone says that we punish our young people for expressing themselves. I mean, what's criminal about expressing yourself? But what crime is in that? I mean, what crime did the Gen Z commit? They express themselves, and we expect them to express themselves. You know, we must live with this reality, that the world has changed. Governance is operating in a different context, and that we are a democracy. And what that means in actual terms is that we will wake up in the morning and there are people who think differently from what we think. We've got to live in this society together with those who do not agree with us. And you can say whatever you say about democracy, it is not the perfect form of government, but we don't have a better alternative, which means we must coexist and we must be here. And when Kenya's young people ask questions about what we do, we answer them. That's what happens. If we don't have answers, we also honestly tell them we don't have the answers. So if Kenyan young people are asking questions, for example, what do you expect to happen? That we tell them to go and look for President Salva Kiir to answer them. They have a president. We have a president here. We have a leader. And leadership is about responsibility. It's about taking up responsibility. That's why every time I say I am seeking the office of the president, and I will not make excuses for my responsibility. I will face up with every question that is asked by my citizens, young and old. Those that I'm not able to answer, I'll be very honest and tell them I cannot answer them. But I will not kill them or use that kind of shameful language that you saw the president of Tanzania use. And because she's the head of state of a neighboring country, I want also to be respectful and diplomatically restrained, because, you know, we can't prescribe to others what we are not willing to do ourselves.